Alright, hey guys, welcome to another stream. What I'm gonna do, I'm actually gonna do the XXXIX scripting for the bells. I want to keep a notepad open just so I have a better idea of what I want to do. So basically, the order of the sequence I want to have happen, I want the player to hit the first bell twice in a row. So let's write that down. So we're gonna do bell 1, 2x. Then I want to hit the third bell once. Then I want to hit the fourth bell once. I want to hit the third bell again once. And then I want to hit the second bell twice. So that's basically our order. So, how are we going to do this in XXXIX? That's my question. I still don't have any clue, so let's figure this out. So, here's our XXXIX sequence with the bell hammers things. So let's just expand that. Let's see. Let's also get rid of the debug. So let's see. So basically at the start, this is where we hit the smaller bell. So this is the first bell here. So we want to do new condition, compare ints. Actually, let's do something else too. No action. I think it's under misc. Gate. No. Switch. Since we want to ring the bell twice, we give this 2 switches. Increment count of 1. Actually, let's give it 3. I'll tell you why in a moment. So let's put that in. When it's first hit, we're going to compare ints here. Actually, scratch that. Let's do no action. Event, activate remote event. Number of rings. Let's just do that. This over here. New event. Remote event. Number of rings. Cool. Get that hacked up. So basically plug that in. So what this switch does is it counts just how many times it's been triggered. So the first time we hit that bell, this one's going to be what we do. Second time we hit that bell, this is the second link is what we're going to do. If we hit it a third time, that's what it's going to do there. So the first time the bell is hit, we want to compare a couple of integers. We'll compare compare all 4 of those actually. So new variable name int bell _1 _rings. Just copy and paste to get all 4 rings here. There we go. Let's see here. Alright. So basically when we hit the first ring, what we want to have happen is we want to make sure all the variables are all 0 first, just so that we know that the player hadn't hit any other bells prior. So let's go ahead and do that. Then we're going to get the number 0. There we go. New action, event, activate remote event, fire. New event, remote event, fire. Oops. And then we're going to do a new action, set variable int value is going to be 0. The target is going to be these 4. 2, 3, 4. So basically, if these are any of those are greater than 0, we're going to make them all 0 again. So let's see. So in theory, if I read one of these, try to ring the first one, it's not going to ring, so let's try that. Yeah, see? Okay. So it's technically kind of working, but what we're going to do is set an activated delay, put it back. Okay, let's try that one more time. So that kind of worked. Let's see. Alright, let's do a new announcement. Let's do like sequence failed. So let's give that a try. So what's going to happen is when I ring this bell, I'm going to try to ring this bell. It should give me sequence failed. Hold on. No, that's not what I want. Let's try something like that. Alright, let's give that a try. first bell twice. So let's go ahead and do that. Sorry, I'm looking on the other screen here. Alright. Okay. Now, Kismet. Now, here's link 2. So let's do a new comparison. Let me just move everything over some more. Now I want to compare two things. So the first thing I'm going to compare are going to be 3, 2, and 3, 2, and 4. Those bells, they shouldn't have been rung yet. So these need to be 0. And if they are, we're going to do one more comparison. In this comparison, we're going to compare bell 1 and this has to be 1. And then if it is fire, well, fire. Let's do something here. New event, remote event. Let's call this variable reset. Plug that in. And then new action, event, remote event, variable reset. 2 words. Cool. Let's do that. Reset. Okay. Alright. So that's all we need to do for bell 1. Okay. And then for link 3, if it gets hit a third time, we're going to just reset it. Also, what we're going to do, we need a new variable, name variable. It's going to be an int, and we're going to call this index reset. So do new variable int to index reset. I think this should be 1. Actually, it should be 0. But when we do a variable reset, this will be set to 0. Alright, and the reason why I do that is because of that switch. So say I ring it twice, but then I somehow mess up after that point, it'll go to 3 instead. Whereas every time I mess up, I want everything to kind of reset. So that's why I did that. Okay. Let's just get everyone going. I think I could do this without using bools, actually. So let's see. Who's next? Bell 3. Oops. So bell 3 is going to be kind of special. So we're going to do a new event, remote event. Let's do fire 3. Go in there, and it's going to go in there. Let's copy that. Rings 3. New event, remote event. Just copy and paste. There we go. So now what we need to do, this is for in our sequence here. At this point we ring the first bell twice. Now we gotta ring the third bell once. So we do need another switch. So on the first link, this is where we need to compare a couple things. So let's do new condition, compare int. First thing we're going to compare is the bell 1 to see how many times it's been rung already. So let's get bell ring 1. So let's put this here. Okay. Variable reset. Okay. So basically here, we need to put number 2, because at this time we've hit the bell twice. We should have. So if this is true, we're going to go ahead and compare some other variables. But first, we're going to do a variable reset for just in case. So if this is somehow less, we're going to do a variable reset, and we're going to do a delay 1. No, hold on. Let's take the delay node. So hold down D, got a delay. There we go. But if they are equal, we're going to compare the other variables here. So new condition, compare int. And what are we going to compare? We're going to compare the other 3. To the number 0, because none of them should have been hit at this point. So if this is true, we're going to do fire 3. But for anything else, we're going to do variable reset. So let's do a delay. Let's do another delay. variable resets. Okay, so that should be working. Just move that over. Comment that saying bell ring underscore check. Alright, now move that up. So now the next thing we're going to do, because since we are going to be ringing this third bell twice as well, we'll go ahead and set up what needs to be true in order for this to happen. So we need to compare a couple of things again. Because at this point, when we hit the bell the second time, what needs to happen is the first bell needs to be hit twice, the third bell has to be hit once, and the fourth bell has to be hit once. So let's go ahead and do that. We have to compare those. So the first thing we're going to do, new condition, comparison, compare int, go in there. First thing we're going to compare is going to be bell ring 1. We'll have the same setup. If this is true, let's go and compare another int. At this point, bell 3 and 4 should be hit once. And then if that's true, we're going to fire 3. Okay, so let's just move some stuff around. Now, so we're going to do a variable reset with the third link here. Then we're going to do some delays. Or else we do some variable resets. Then we're going to do the same thing over here. Some delays. Some delays. As well as some variable resets. And then we should be good. So let's grab all these, push it down, comment, hold on, what I named the other comment, bell ring check, do underscore 01, copy that, grab all these guys, comment 203. So that's our third bell. So at this point what we need to do is the fourth bell and then the second bell. So let's do this, disconnect. Now change that to 2. And then fire 2. And then we're going to do the same thing for 4 just so they're set up. I don't know why that doesn't stay capitalized, but whatever. And then let's do 4. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I could do this without any bools. So let's go ahead and take those out. Let's just remove these guys. Any references to those, just so we don't get any error messages. Okay. Oh, there we go. Cool. So right now we're going to do, because the next one up is going to be bell 4. Oops. Actually, good call. It's file save as 53. Oh. Three. And we're good. Let's go back to Kismet. Disconnect. Fire 3. Copy that. Change it to fire 4. Put it in. And then rings 4. Put that in. Alright, so at this point what we need to do is let's copy this remote event. According to what I want, the 4th bell is the one that's only going to get hit once. So we don't need any sort of, what's the word, switch on there that I know of. So let's go ahead and do a new, actually we gotta rename this, so what do we do? Number rings 4. We're still good. Just gotta update that. We're good. Okay. Let's do a new condition. Compare. Compare bool. Nope. Just kidding. New condition. Compare. Compare int. So let's look at our thing here. Based on what I'm seeing here, the first thing we need to make sure is that the first bell is hit twice. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's get bell 1 ring. And then let's get number 2 in there. Connect that. Now if this is true, we need to compare an int. So let's compare. And what int are we comparing? We're going to be comparing, based on this, we're going to be comparing bell 3. It needs to be hit once at this point. Let me take a look back down here. Yeah, that's right. Let's see. Yeah, I forgot. I had a feeling I forgot something. Need to compare one last int over here. Forgot about bell 2, I think. Yeah, bell 2. Has to be 0 still at this point. And if it is, we're going to fire. Let's get variable reset. Okay, that's corrected. Back here. Let's move this back. Put this right there. So now bell 1 needs to be hit twice. Bell 3 has to be hit once, and then both. Bell 2 and 4 need to be at 0. And if it is, do fire 4. Okay, that's updated. Now we need some variable resets. Variable reset. Variable reset. reset, reset. Let me do that one last time. I'll save us some time. And then we need a delay. Okay. Okay. Last one. Oops. Okay. That should be good for that one. So let's bring that down. Bell ring underscore check underscore 04. So now we just gotta do bell ring number 2. Alright, I really don't understand why that's not going capital, but whatever. So let's do new event. This is gonna be 2. I want to hit the second bell twice. So ready to switch. Action, switch, switch. Actually, just copy and paste that. Oops. Alrighty. Now what we need to do is first comparison. New action. Nope. New condition. Compare. Compare. And we know at this point bell 1 and bell 3 need to be hit twice. So let's get those variables. Bell 1 and bell 3. Let's grab those. These need to be twice. So let's grab that. At this point as well, bell 4 needs to be hit once. Let's get that variable. Do 1. And then as well as at this point, bell 3, no, bell 2 has to be hit 0 times. So let's grab that. Okay. Let's grab that. Let's see. 2. Let's copy that. Put that in there. Update. Cool. Do that. Now I need some variable resets. Set here. Then let's do a delay. Okay. Okay. Then here we there. Now that's just the first part. Now, when the bell's hit twice, we're going to do the same few comparisons here. So at this point, same thing should be here. These things need to be hit twice already. And then at this point, the fourth and the second bell will be hit once. So this way I have bell 2 ring. And then fire 2. Let's do a delay. Let's do 2 seconds. With this delay, it's gonna actually do we need to reference the puzzle solved. Set another variable. New variable external. Type is going to be bool. Puzzle solved. Wait. And then let's do new bool. Puzzle solved. And then we need to what am I trying to do? That thing. Because basically at this point the puzzle's solved. So I need to get a reference to this. Let's try. Because I think it's not going to work, but let's do it. New action. Event. Activate remote event. Let's call this puzzle solved. Event. Go to event. Puzzle solved. Oh, cool. It does work. Hashtag job. Cool. Now that we have that going, we can go back into here, take out that touch event, more swings. Alright. So now we just got to do delays and variable resets. So let's just do that. And then variable resets. And then one last variable reset. 3. Okay. So that's it. So let me just comment that. Bell ring check underscore 2. Okay. I really hope this works because it's going to be hard to debug and figure out, but let's find out. Okay. Let's just organize everything. Before we move forward. Just get everything in the sequence nice and tight and organized. Let's see. Ring increments. Just put these guys together. Okay. Comment those. Debug. Oh. I don't know why I'm being so picky right now, but I like it. Variable resets. Put that over here. Let's grab this. There we go. Cool. So let's save. Now let's just hope to God this works. Oh, let's see. 2, 1. Alright, so bell 1 twice, then bell 3, bell 4. Okay. Oops. So let's hope this works. So fingers crossed. Shouldn't have failed, but let's try again. Huh. Alright, something's going on when the sequence fails. Let's just see if I can solve the puzzle here. Let's try that one more time. I just want to see if this puzzle is solvable. Fail. Why is that fail? Check 3. Alright, let's log. Time to log information, see what's happening. I have no clue why. So something's going on. Let's check. So the first thing it checks, see if bell 1 has 2 rings. If it does, then it checks for bell 3 and bell 4 for 1 ring. Let me see. Let's see if that fixes it at all. Still giving me a sequence failed. Why? This is going to be a lot of testing. Still a sequence failed. So it's somewhere in here that it's failing. So let's do no action, toggle, no, voice announcement, flight announcement. Didn't fail, because we know this is right. Let's see. This is where the boring part comes in, guys. This is where I'm just gonna be trying to figure out what's going on. I mean, water effects. Ooh. This is when I touch it. It should say sequence failed or didn't fail. If they say that, I'll let you know what's gonna happen. Didn't fail. Okay. So we know for a fact it gets past this point. Now we gotta see if it gets past this point. So let's find out. So we know for some reason this comparison isn't coming true. Why is that? Do they? Let's try something here. Let's compare one of them. Compare the other. The same number. Let's try that. Okay. Alright. Let's try this again. Alright, let's hope this works. Oh, yeah. But then this failed. At least it resets. Alright. Almost there. Let's see. I think the same thing's gonna have to happen. Here's build check number 2. So it fails here. Let me do I still have the play announcement? Or did I get rid of that? Got rid of that. Alright, let's do no action. Voice announcement. Play announcement. Didn't fail. Let's see. Let's see. Sequence failed. Okay, so it fails at the first comparison. So alright. Okay. Let's see if that corrects anything. Oh man. Okay. Let's try. Yep. Okay. So close. So something's going on with this second. It's the same issue as before. Let's see. Alright, we're almost done. And boom. Let's see if that works. Okay. Let's hope this is done. Moment of truth. Aw, yeah. Alright, so now I need announcement. Sequence completed. I don't think we'll need that. So let's just do this one last time here. Just to see if we're doing okay. Oh goodness. Oh, I hope it didn't break. Oh, good. We good. Actually, hold up. We don't need debugs going. Those are just annoying at that point. Okay, let's give that a go. For some reason, the sequence failed keeps coming on. Just the variable reset. That doesn't give any announcements, right? Ah, it does. Well, let's have one variable in here. Let's do a variable. It's going to be a pool. It's going to be puzzle. So, right now we're going to leave it at false. And here, we're going to do a new condition, compare pool, new name variable, pool, puzzle, solved. It's false, do that. Alright. Alright, for realsies, last time. Yeah. One more time. Okay. Oh. Oh, because I never said it. Oh, God, I'm an idiot. Okay. New actions, variable, pool, value, is going to be true. Target, let's get this. Alright, one more time. Okay. Alright, here we go. Let's see. And there's the key card. Boom. Cool. Alright. We know it's working. Saving it. I'm going to do tweaks to it just to make sure all the timing is right and everything like that. But for now, I'm ending this stream. So I'm glad you're able to watch me actually do that. That was kind of cool, learning just more comparisons and everything like that, how conditions work. So I hope you guys learned a little bit as well. So once again, another huge sequence. But we should be good from here on. So let me just... What's that one? Okay. I'm gonna grab all these. Which room is this? Room number 6. This is going to take a while because there's a lot going on in there. Alright. Guess it's just going to take an extra minute or two. Delete that. Oh, man. Oh. It froze. Alright, I think I saved though. So I'm just going to end the stream here. Please comment if you like what I'm doing. Any suggestions for new puzzles, anything you think would be cool. Or if you have any ideas for tutorials, anything like that, I'll be more than happy to look at. So make sure you just like the video and subscribe. It'll help me out. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you later.